gentlemen, Dr. Jon Belkowitz here, Intelligent Concrete, where we save the world with all the concrete in it. We've got a Tech Talk Tuesday, T cubed, if you will. And what we're covering today is these bladders that you'll find in some of these most awesome concrete projects. Ding! We are in the process of looking for a really awesome photo, so I don't know the photo that you're going to be looking at right now. If it's the photo that I imagine, what I see is a open photo of a job site where we can see the concrete area, or the area where the concrete's going to be poured before the concrete's being poured. And what you'll see is a bunch of reinforcement, and then immediately under the first layer of reinforcement, or it might be the second layer of reinforcement, you're going to see these huge black bladders. They don't have to be black bladders, they could be white bladders or blue bladders, but normally you see these big black bladders. And what those black bladders are used for, especially in mat foundations or raft foundations, is to reduce the amount of concrete that is not going to be used for the structural component of whatever that geometry is. So if we're talking about a mat foundation, it's normally a big box or a big block of concrete with a lot of steel in it. And if you look at the finite element analysis, if we have a universally or a distributed load over the entire mat foundation, there are certain parts of the foundation that are just not going to have any load exerted on them. And really the material that's being placed in there is a waste. So what we do is we use these bladders to take up that space that the concrete would take up, and we pour around that, so now we have an empty space in there. We're saving on money, we're saving on materials, and ultimately reducing the carbon footprint of the concrete, which is something we love at Intelligent Concrete. So hope you enjoyed, hope you enjoyed it. I split my finger open yesterday. Oh, that's awesome. That's why they call me doctor. So, hope you enjoyed, hope you learned something. Let us know if you got any concrete questions, concrete concerns. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank